What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing my silver play button from U to the Tube, YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, so I got the box right here, the YouTube box. Alright, how big is this? It's about, I don't know, yay big. It's bigger than my head. Alright, y'all can't see my head, right? It's bigger than that. I just got this yesterday in the mail, and I've actually been waiting for it for about, I think a month. I had to get like a code in my YouTube studio, you know, like the back office, and I had to redeem that code in order to receive the play button, but I didn't get that code. So I was on YouTube just like, yo, how do I get my silver play button, man? Like I hit 100K, you know, I'm trying to get my silver play button. What I do? Then somebody came up, her name is Catherine Manning. Big shout out to Catherine for helping me get my play button. I'm gonna have her YouTube link in my description. Y'all go subscribe to that channel because she helped me out a lot. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be able to get this YouTube plaque. Alright, she helped me out. She told me everything I had to do, and then it was that. Alright, so big shout out to her. Y'all go subscribe. But y'all, let's get right into this video. Let's unbox this. I might need a knife. Give me a sec. I got a little knife over here. We're gonna unbox it. Matter of fact, let me turn this way so y'all can see. Alright, start over. Oh, let me not do it like that so I won't hurt my fingers or cut my fingers. Boom. Ooh, watch out for my face. Boom. All right. Oh, I gotta do the bottom too, right? Yup, the bottom. Oh, let me go. Oh. Let me go away from my face, bruh. Y'all seen that? Don't try this at home, kids. Sheesh. Bruh, why is it so hard? Come on, YouTube. Okay, I got it, y'all. Let me put the knife. And it got dark. It got dark. I should have wore a white shirt, man. Matter of fact, I want y'all to see this, man. Yo! What's going on? Okay, I got it. Don't worry, I got it. Alright, so this is what's inside. This box thing and then this thing right here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Woo! Oh, this is thicker than I expected. This is thick. All right. Do you remember your first subscriber? No. Your 100th? Nah. Your 1000th? I don't remember none of that. Chances are you do. No, I don't. How you gonna tell me? And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100th. No, I don't. I'm sorry, y'all. I just don't. I'm sorry. Don't come crazy at me, y'all. Impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber. Yeah, that's what I want. I want 1,000,000. That's where we're going. 1,000,000 subscribers. We may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? I'll probably not. Yours sincerely, Suzanne Woodseek. I'm sorry, Suzanne. I'm sorry. I don't know how to say your last name. CEO of YouTube. I appreciate you, Suzanne. Now, boom, shkaboom. Oh, they spelled my name right. I was about to say YouTube. What's going on? Oh, snap, it's another one. Recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase it. Oh, you could purchase one. I ain't gonna purchase one. This a wipe or something? I don't know. I don't know what this is. I don't know. But I think that's pretty much it. The box is empty after that. That's it. Alright, that's it, y'all. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all everything, y'all. This is what it looks like. Alright, it's in a plastic wrap thing. Boom. And now we're gonna take it out. Oh, let me take it out for you so y'all can see. You know, I want y'all to see everything, man. Wow. Ta-da! Let me see if y'all can see. Oh, snap, what am I doing? Focus, focus. Let me turn this light off so it won't reflect. Y'all see it? Alright, now let me turn it back on. Alright, y'all. So, oh, I can see myself. It's junk clear. I could brush my hair in this. I could use this as a mirror, y'all. This, hey, that's tough. I'm gonna use this as, I'm gonna be the first waiver to use my YouTube $100,000. I said $100,000. Yo, what my phone on, bruh? Thought I turned it off. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna brush my hair in this, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. Nah, I just washed my hair. See, I can't even do that, but I'm gonna do it like tomorrow. Brush my hair with this, use that as a mirror. That's how clear it is. But y'all, this is it. My 100,000 subscribers YouTube award. Y'all seen it here. I did a whole unboxing for y'all. This is my first time seeing it. I got it yesterday and I wanted to wait for today's video to unbox it because I wanted you guys to see it. And yeah, if you watch this video, I really appreciate you. Thank you. This means a lot to me. And it's definitely a lot more coming, man. Road to 1 million subscribers and I couldn't do it without y'all. So appreciate y'all for that. Love y'all. And if you guys not already subscribed to my second channel, please do that right now. I'm gonna have that linked in my description. Me and my girlfriend, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers, you feel me? Please subscribe. Really appreciate y'all. Yeah, that's it for this video, man. Please make sure to leave a like, comment if you're new to the channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. It's your boy 360 Juice and I'm out of here. Peace.